New 741 square feet open floor plan home with wood siding for years of carefree maintenance. Your new home is nestled on 27 acres in the mountains of Lee County, close to the Red River Gorge and Natural Bridge State Park. Lots of road frontage for other home sites and your own privacy. Have your friends and family bring their campers and RV. Plenty of room. This land has a pond and a creek for year-round fun for the kids. Luxury vinyl plank flooring, Energy Star rated double hung windows, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Open floor plan. Luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. Luxury vinyl plank boards are waterproof and scratch resistant. The washer and dryer stays. The utility room is attached to the bedroom. Easy peasy. Modern bathroom with walk-in shower. Flex space or guest bedroom. Internet available. Granite countertops and new stainless steel appliances with manufacturer warranty. Wall-mounted chimney range hood with internal blower, halogen bulbs, and 4-speed electronic push-button control. Cook and entertain at the same time. Simple yet efficient PTAC system. Front porch sitting, country style. Tongue and groove, porch ceilings. County maintained road to your dream vacation home. I saw 0 cars pass by while I was here. Step outside and breathe some fresh mountain air. 27 acres makes it perfect for horseback riding. Monster deer call this getaway home. Step outside and go hunting. Bring a fishing pole. The property also has a blue water creek. Seclusion at its best.